The passage was found near 50 degrees south of blank. Would Spain, Portugal, Madrid, Greenwich, or the equator best fit this blank? Let's begin by locating the original wording in the text. The second paragraph tells us that 4 of Magellan's ships searched along the southern peninsula of South America, and finally they found the passage they sought near a latitude of 50 degrees south. This is all the information the text gives us. It says nothing about Spain, Portugal, or Madrid, and therefore these can be marked as incorrect. We are left with Greenwich and the equator. The Greenwich meridian, also known as the prime meridian, is an imaginary line that cuts the world from north to south. The imaginary line that cuts the world from east to west is called the equator. Because the text tells us that the passage was found 50 degrees south, we can understand it is in the southern hemisphere, and therefore it must be 50 degrees south of the equator. Based on this information, we can go to our choices and mark E, the equator, as our final answer.